About this item: fire all cooking utensils in one package. Odoland portable camping utensil storage package includes 4x plate, 4x cup, 4x bowl, 4x spoon, 4x fork, 4x knife, 1x travel case, 4x dinner cutlery. Portable and lightweight so that you can take it to outdoor anywhere. Fire high premium camping kit made from food grade stainless steel. Kitchen utensils are non-toxic and are durable and long-lasting. Fire easy to clean and dishwasher safe. The camp cooking set is compact, designed to help make cleaning it a quick and simple process. Also, it is dishwasher safe for easily cleaning. Fire convenient and easy to storage compact zippered bag with outside handle for easy transportation, compact storage, and quick organization. The camping cooking utensils are lightweight and portable, so you can easy to take outdoors when backpacking, travel, picnic or camp. Kitchen fire enjoy cooking anywhere you go. Odoland cutlery set gear and equipment is designed for someone who love outdoor camping with families and friends. It is super portable, making it much more convenient for camping, hiking, backpacking, picnic and other outdoor activities. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: fire all cooking utensils in one package. Odoland portable camping utensil storage package includes 4x plate, 4x cup,